Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI, starting off by saying I'm sorry that I'm missing a few pieces, but we love this cupcake game. So this is great because it is such a fun game for my little one. It has these little cupcakes. In the bottom there are shapes, and the cupcake is also a shape. So there's so many ways you can use this. Number one, you can do a matching game. The tops come off and you can match the tops with the bottom. So this is obviously a circle. You can help them learn how to connect them. You can help them with their colors if you want, or whatever you'd like really. So this one is a square, as you can see. So not only do they have to match the top with the bottom, but like I mentioned, inside they also match this cupcake with the correct shape. So we've had endless amounts of fun with this, and I really like it because I do feel like he's learning something as he's playing, and we've also been able to use it for parent-led learning and helping his speech as well, helping him learn the shapes and the colors. So we love this. We think it's great. Definitely recommend it, and that is my point of view.